Okay, a little bit different of a video today. You're being filmed on the Nano and not the Pocket because I've just finished a street photography workshop. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the light and the weather is glorious. So rather than going back and sitting indoors, I decided to go and walk around somewhere local for about an hour just to see how many photos I can get. Hopefully get something good. You're going to be attached to the Leica, be a POV style session. Should be pretty good. Coffee ready. Camera ready. You guys, are you ready? I should also mention it's the London Marathon today, so we should have some interesting subjects. It's probably going to be quite busy, but I'm here for it. Right, first shot of the day. Just a nice beam of light coming down this street. I'm going to use this pillar as a bit of blocking so you can't see the end of the street, and just wait for someone nice in bright clothing to walk through the scene. I don't think I'm going to have to wait too long, but it's nice. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I might wait for another person just to see what's coming. Not bad though. Not bad for the first shot of the video anyway. Very quick battery change because, well, I've been using the camera a lot. In fact, I'll show you some pictures that I got today throughout this video from the workshop. It's nice. It's a good day for it as well. Probably going to head towards Bank now. Maybe something with this puddle? Maybe? Not sure. I'll take it anyway. The joys of digital. In fact, I'm waffling now, but this patch of light here is lovely. Just saw that guy walk through it in white clothing, and that's exactly what we want. Someone to do exactly that again, but actually maybe prepared for it this time. Hopefully someone does, and it wasn't a one-off, because that's quite nice, just the way that that contrasts really well. There you go, that'll do. It's like she heard me. Doesn't happen often. Does not happen often. So for me, this is one of the most minimal staircases that you can shoot in Bank. And when you get people walking through the frame, it creates quite a nice silhouette. So the plan is to use this railing as a leading line and just shoot up to the top and hope that someone walks through the frame dead center, because that'll be dead on one of my thirds as well. Thing is, I'm going to need these guys in dark clothing, otherwise the silhouette doesn't work as well because the sun is too far around. Earlier in the morning it would have been basically at the top of the stairs, it would have made for a better image, but okay, this scene needs a solo subject, and quick. The way the light is just cut in diagonal right to the corner of that wall, and then you've got a really dark alleyway. It's a really nice split reflection, but I need someone in dark clothing and on their own. And we're very close to the route of the marathon, so most people are in groups, but I'm happy to wait a bit and just hope, because it's quite a nice scene, the way that the light just comes directly into the corner. That shot there did not happen the way I wanted it to happen, but is what it is. I got the girl in white in the dark section, so there's still a nice bit of light dark contrast, so it works in its own right, but not how I envisioned it. Very close to the marathon. I'm very tempted to go down there and just see how busy it is, but you know me, I hate busy. Who knows, maybe. It's quiet everywhere else, so maybe I need a bit of life. So this is where everyone in London is then, by the looks of it. Alright, that's enough of that. Out of breath just watching him. Back to photography. Okay, very simple. Patch of light in this underpass. Bit of texture as well. I just need someone to walk as close to it as they can. Otherwise it won't work. Okay, potential here for an interesting image. Just wait for someone to walk down the stairs from Suffolk Bridge. And it should allow them to walk into the light. It's quite geometric, framed on either side as well. It's all about the waiting game. Shoot this at f8, so it gives a nice bit of crispness to the background as well, but also some fall off. We don't want to be too sharp. I also like the fact that it's very dark on one side, very light on the other. Right, okay, the shot has meant me coming back towards the marathon, so I hope you can hear me. But just down that alleyway there, it's a lovely shot if I can get someone on their own. Just the light down the end and everything else in darkness. Works quite nicely. Just need to wait for that right subject though, for it to make a difference. So at the minute the scene's just too busy. She's quite harmonious to the background as well, just sitting there. It's the simple scenes. Can't go wrong with a simple scene every now and then. Just keeps your eyes engaged. Even if it's not going to be a keeper, the more you shoot, the more you're still in that mindset, you know? Thank you. Cheers. Success. Iced chai latte, protein vanilla cold foam. What a winner. What a winner. Not the first time I've photographed this corridor since it's been here, but might be the first time I actually find a photo that I like from it. It's difficult. There's not enough light in the scene to make it any good, but...
I saw a bit of it.
Solo subject. That's what I want. And someone in the middle of the frame, because otherwise it will look off center. Okay, I'm back at one of the entrances to Bank Station because the sun's in a perfect position for this staircase to get some nice backlighting on our subjects and to get a great little silhouette. I'm back a bit from the actual staircase itself, but I might move to the railing, get some leading line, just work the scene a little bit and see what I can get from it. But yeah, the fact that I can get some proper backlighting now is good. The sun is behind some thin clouds, which means it's sort of softboxed a little bit. Not ideal because you don't get the sun flares, but either way, it works. Beautiful, mate, beautiful. Yeah, amazing. Alright, that is going to do it for this week's video. It's been a bit longer than I thought it'd be. I said I'd only be out photographing for an hour. It's been closer to 2, but I've enjoyed every second of it. I don't think I've got any noteworthy images, like portfolio worthy, if you will, but it's been great. I've enjoyed every second. It's also been great to get out and do another workshop. So if you do want to do one with me, there's a link in the description. You just fill out a form and then I'll get in touch and we'll work something out. And also, another thing, thanks to all the people that come up and say hello when I'm walking around London. It's weird, people recognising me from the internet and doing this sort of thing. But yeah, it's nice to chat to other photographers, see how they're getting on, and yeah, it's good, I like it. So if you do recognise me on the street talking to myself like this, don't be afraid to come up and say hello. Yeah, lovely day. Weather, I'm so happy it's getting warmer. So happy. I'll see you in a couple of weeks for another video, yeah? Bye-bye.